Okay, so I already created a static link checkout page. Today, we ask Sentra to convert that static payment into a dynamic checkout. First, let me take you through the static payment flow. Add your details, add your billing address, then move to payment and complete it. This whole process takes a few seconds, and now we want Sentra to handle everything automatically in the background. Now, head to the Sentra extension and add your API key. That's it, you're done. Now, we're asking Sentra to convert the static payment link into a dynamic checkout. Let Sentra do its work in the background. While that's happening, let me tell you what Sentra actually is. Sentra is an AI-powered billing and payments layer by Dodo Payments. It helps you set up subscriptions, one-time payments, usage-based billing, coupons, and product plans without touching heavy infra code. Instead of wiring SDKs or configuring complicated monetization flows, you just describe what you want. Sentra generates the full setup, shows you the plan, and executes once you approve. It also gives you smart revenue insights like churn patterns, anomalies, growth drivers, and lets you take actions through natural language refunds, upgrades, credits, plan changes, all handled instantly. The whole idea is to make billing, payments, and revenue ops fast, developer-friendly, and easy for non-technical founders too. Overall, it removes the pain of building and maintaining billing systems so you can focus on shipping your actual product. Okay, and now Sentra has finished its work in the background. So let's fire up the server and walk through everything properly. Once the project is running, head over to the checkout page. You'll see the form waiting for you. Fill in your details, add your billing address, double-check everything, and then proceed with the payment. The whole flow is smooth, nothing confusing. After you complete the payment successfully, it will automatically redirect you to the success page, confirming everything worked. The entire process feels clean and effortless, and honestly, that's the beauty of it. No overcomplicated setup, no messy steps, just a simple, reliable checkout experience from start to finish.